Since we only have like 500 seconds, we are gonna make two super simple apps with one very simple mechanic. First things first, I made a new project in Android Studio and chose an empty activity, which have nothing in it. And let's make the design for our homepage. First, I added a recycler view into our homepage. This boy gonna help us in implementing the swipe function, and also he is the one who will be carrying this boss along with him. But he is kind of an idiot because he always forgot the things he's supposed to do. So we need to write some programs to bring his memories back. So after saying all his flashback, he finally got his memories back. But we need to create the boss for him to carry along. So I created a simple rectangle and gave it smooth edges. Then I slapped the board into the recycler view and gave it colors. Now let's add these things into our main activity. This thing makes sure that the boss are randomly generated every single time you play through it. So you don't have to play through the same boss every single time. And I also added the swiping function. The controls are gonna be super simple. We have to swipe the red bar to our left and the yellow bars to our right side. Which is gonna look something like this. We not yet programmed the timer and the live, so let's do it. You will be given 3 lives and it will be reduced by 1 every time you swiped in the wrong direction. The game is almost playable now, but we have to finish the game loop. So whenever you run out of life or time, you are able to restart the game, and this was pretty much the final piece needed to make the game function. So I created these quick little pop-ups which will show up every time the user completes the level or starts the game. I changed the background color of our home page and added color indicators in both the sides. So here is the result. Then I created a new project and yoinked the code from our first project. Then I quickly created the design for our homepage. And write some code for it. The idea is you have to click the right button based on the color of the text instead of the word. And that's it. Thank you very much for your massive support. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to smash like and subscribe, and if you didn't, then make sure to smash dislike. That's gonna be it for this video. See you in the next one.